How to apply a custom ringtone and notification sound on Messenger. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the settings application on your device. Now scroll down and tap on the apps section. Tap on manage apps, and as you tap on manage apps, select on the search bar and search for Messenger application over here. As you search for the application, make sure that the app pops up. So just tap on it, and as you tap on the application, you'll be able to see different options over here. So just tap on notifications. When you tap on notifications, you can see different options over here. So just scroll down and then tap on the option of incoming calls. So here you can see the option of sound. So just tap on sound. And as you tap on sound, it will lead you to a new page where you can connect to the network and select the ringtone of your choice. So you can just choose any local ringtone, or you can select whichever ringtone that you find is more convenient for you. And this way you can select or apply a custom ringtone and notification sound on Messenger. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.